Hello, Barbara. This is Dave from ChiefTutor.com. Thanks for sending in your email. Tourniqueted cone. Yeah, no problem. Chief does all kinds of fun little shapes. If you go and open up a Chief Architect plan file, you'll notice that there's this 3D solid models that they have, like pre-made items. And one is a cone under their drop down. So if you just select that, and you can left click in the plan and start dragging, or you can even tab and type in a dimension you want. I'm just going to randomly select a dimension. You can also double click it once you've drawn it and resize it. Let's say you wanted 36, maybe the height to be, I don't know, 48. So you can kind of reshape it any way you want it to go. So I'm going to click OK. And once I have it, why don't we go into the 3D and I'll show you a cool little trick that we can do with Chief. Basically, I'm going to take this exact same cone and I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it in place by clicking on this yellow folder. So that means now I have two of these. And I can take one, clicking my left mouse button, I can just drag it up. I'm going to drag it up about this far. And then let's spin around and kind of see what I did. I took that cone and I kind of shoved it up to the point where I want it to cut off so I can make that tourniqueted cone that you want. And then by selecting the cone you want to keep, you can go down here to this button here called subtraction. And you can subtract out what you don't want, which is the cone on top. And if I left click on it one time, it'll ask me, do I want to retain the original? No, I don't want to retain the original. And there we go. I've got myself my tourniqueted cone. Is that how you saw it? Tourniqueted, tourniqueted, tourniqueted. I think that's how you say it. Hopefully this video helped. Thanks so much for watching and supporting ChiefTutor.com. Have any more questions or problems or issues, feel free to reach out to us 24/7, 365. I'm not going to respond. They're probably like even less than 1% of you, but why not try?